Veo 3.1 isn't just a patch, it includes completely new temporal consistency engines, new prompt inheritance and new features to the sound and music. But how does it compare to Sora 2? So let's test them out to the limits. First I wanted to try the image to video functionality and so-called ingredients feature in Veo 3.1 to see how well the video generator can create videos by uploading images of products. So this is Veo 3.1 fast.
Hey everyone, check this out. This is dehydrated water.
And you see the product is really here in her hands, the product of the image that I uploaded, dehydrated water.
Just add water and voila, endless gallons.
Nice. And
hey everyone,
yeah. Veo thought about all of the dialogue scene, monologue scene. And
this is dehydrated water.
Nice.
Just add water and
but here we have some problems with the physics and the metal of this can.
Voila.
See?
Endless gallons.
Yeah. But overall, pretty good. Already know that Sora will perform very good here.
100% organic, BPA free. You guys keep asking what I'm obsessed with lately. It's this.
Yeah. Completely the same image. And now transform into the bottle, which is pretty good. And her face really looks realistic and nice. And all of the fingers. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Seems like all of them are here.
Hydrated water. Yep, it's real. 16 ounces in the can. Infinite gallons once you add more water. It's 100% organic, BPA free. You guys keep asking what I'm obsessed with lately.
Organic and BPA free. Pretty good. Moving on to the second prompt, which tests the AI video generator's ability to handle complex camera movements, dynamic lighting, and even subtle facial expression and close. I always like to use that one while testing video generators. So here is Veo 3.1 on Higgsfield AI. Nice reflection in the eyes. Now they created a female person, even though I didn't specify, which I like. It's gender neutral. Yes. And sound is great. And all of the details behind her, everything burning, the camera movement, all of the things, pretty good job from Google. Now let's see Sora 2. Good. Nice city. For some reason he's smiling. Yes. Also pretty good camera movement and all of the details here and everything, even though I don't know why is he smiling. Yes, when everything burns you smile. And for the third prompt we need to try image to video functionality once again, but now with the real characters. And here we'll have the problems with Sora. So first Veo 3, I uploaded this image and said simple things to write on the board. Veo 3 did that.
2 + 2 equals...
Nice.
4.
Yes, so see the image? This is the initial image, and now let's go frame by frame how Veo 3 transform this image into a video without losing the consistency of the character. So now watch the face and everything. Yes, everything stays consistent completely.
2 + 2 equals...
She is having problems by writing on the board, but that's okay.
4.
Pretty good video. And now Sora. Well, for Sora you will receive this and constantly this if you upload any kind of image of a person or even a cartoon in many cases, as we'll see later. So I couldn't do the test with normal image of a normal person, that's why I needed to upload a cartoon person. So let's try once again in Veo 3. Here is the uploaded image and then we have the video.
2 + 2 equals 4.
It does equal 4. Yes. Okay, now let's see if Sora will manage to do that without violating content policy. And here is our teacher. We managed to successfully create a video out of an image.
2 + 2 equals 4.
Yes. And now also this. I don't know why video generators have problems by writing something on the board, but they do. But at least we managed to create a video out of the uploaded image on Sora that contains a person, even though it's cartoonish, because in many cases if you try we'll even have a content violation policy from these kind of images. But that's okay, Sora shines in some other things. Now moving on to sports, we need to test the gymnastics example, but also other sports. As you will see, it gets interesting. So Veo starts off good, relatively Oh, whew. Oh, the bones would be broken after that. Oh, once again. Let's see once again. Full. That's not a backflip. It's something nice. Boom. So I mean, the movement is nice, realism is nice, but she's not actually doing the right move, and she would broke her bones and everything else by doing that maneuver. So for some reason Veo constantly has struggles with that. The same prompt but with Sora. Pretty good. Much more realistic than Veo 3, and she didn't break her bones while doing the maneuver. Yes, yes, and the whole room looks pretty good, and the kind of a camera vintage. Yes. Getting better and better. But then again, if we try some other sports, for example, long jump or high jump that AI hasn't been trained enough for, then we have problems. So this is once again Sora for the long jump, simple prompt. Starts off pretty good, and the commentator and everything. Oh, now that's bad. Now, so where was the sand? She's landing not on the sand, doing some strange maneuvers, and landing almost on the person there standing, on the coach or whatever that is. So let's see it full. Ooh. Nice. And here's the long jump in Veo 3. Starting off good. Oh. This is not the long jump. This is the long jump in the pool of sand. Seems like. You see? So yeah, as mentioned at the beginning, constantly, you know, even though we say video generators are great, I mean, they are, and they're getting better and better, but if they are not trained on a lot of data, this is happening when you give a simple prompt or even a detailed prompt. You know, try it for yourself, and please comment down below if you manage to do a successful long jump. Okay, so we also need to test the conversation capability and imagination of each model. So this is Veo 3. We already see the faces and everything is good. There are problems with the words tech tutor zone here. It kind of messed up this Veo. So let's see.
So I asked the AI chatbot for relationship advice, and it suggested I defragment my heart.
Oh no, that is too funny.
So the whole dialogue scene has been made up by Veo 3. I didn't prompt that, and it's pretty funny. So defragmenting of the heart.
So I asked the AI chatbot for relationship advice, and it suggested I defragment my heart.
Oh no, that is too funny.
And characters look pretty good. Everything's great. You even see the reflections here on the table based on the kind of my logo here. And here we have Sora 2. Pretty good. Already we see that tech tutor zone is written correctly, and also the reflections and everything.
I bet he is.
Stick around, more tips right after the break. And coming up, we'll show you how to fix that Bluetooth issue without throwing your earbuds across the room. Trust me, my dog thinks it's a game of fetch now.
Oh no, poor Pop.
He's very motivated.
I bet he is.
Stick around, more tips right after the break. And
Yes, and also pretty good the dialogue that has been completely made up by Sora 2. So I really like that. And the people and the colors and the text, everything is really correct here. Now we need to test the AI accuracy, especially on the hands and intricate details, which are usually very tricky for AI. So in the prompt we have 4 hands playing the same guitar for some reason. Sounds good, and pretty good hand movements, even though we have only 3 hands, but still. And all of the hands have really 4 fingers, as if I can see correctly. Yes. This is Veo 3.1. And sounds nice. Yeah, they had pretty good improvements in 3.1 with regards to sound and music. And now the Sora, we do have 4 hands. Flamenco music. And adherence to the prompt is pretty good also. So you see those fingers are holding the neck of the guitar, playing chords here. And here we have finger picking, as I did instruct in the prompt. Nice. Pretty good music and pretty good adherence to the prompt. And now, as always, I need to challenge the AI with JSON style prompts, checking detail, motion, and everything else. And here's Veo 3 composing smartphone from the smallest details. Yeah. Pretty satisfying video, at least for me. Yeah, you can do many different things with JSON prompting. I would say this is a pretty good job from Veo 3.1. And then the Sora 2. Very good. Yes. Oh, nice. Yeah. You see, even the annotation, which are mostly, kind of right fonts and everything, and sound is perfect. And this is especially satisfying. The glass and the final product. Both did a pretty great job here. Okay, so now let's test the animal character consistency and funniness. So yeah, I would say this is the exact image of the cat with dumbbells that I uploaded, and let's see the video.
More.
More.
One more.
This is funny. So this is Veo 3. Let's hear it once again. 3.1. The cat is very cute.
More.
And the trainer, and then the expression of the cat and the sound of the cat.
One more.
One more. Exactly to the prompt adherence and character consistency of the cat is pretty good. I needed to upload the animal because Sora wouldn't let me to upload the person. So we need to compare character consistency of the cats. This is Sora 2.
Hey, buddy, come on. More. One more rep. Let's go. Push, drive it up. There you go. Almost 1 more inch.
Listen to the sounds of the cat, and she is the cat. If it's a female, maybe it's a male. So he or she is doing shoulder exercises with the dumbbells.
Yes, up. Hold it. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. That's it, buddy. Come on.
One more.
One more rep. Let's go. Push, drive it up. There you go. Almost 1 more inch. Yes, up. Hold it.
Great. Also, I wanted to test once again image to video and so-called violating content policy. So I uploaded this simple cartoon and said to make it alive with live people. This is Veo 3.1.
Hi, how are you? Bye.
Hello.
I'm fine. Goodbye.
Ha! Nice. So they are really saying what the cartoons are saying. So hi, hello, how are you? I'm fine, bye, goodbye. Pretty nonsensical conversation, but it's nice. So Google did recognize that completely.
Hi, how are you? Bye.
Hello.
I'm fine. Goodbye.
So in Sora 2, when I uploaded the same image, I violated content policies when set to make it alive. Then I just uploaded and left it alone, and this is what we got.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Now the cartoon is kind of talking something, but it didn't want to create real people from that, even though I did manage to do that after 20 examples. But this is to be completely real. And once again, simple cartoon image and the prompt. So this is Veo 3, let's listen.
Can you feel it now, everybody?
Yep.
Feel the groove, yeah. Let the music take control.
It really sounds pretty good. It really sounds nice, and you see the character consistency is pretty good and even polished from the image.
Everybody, feel the groove, yeah. Let the
And they did manage to create a whole song from simple
music
prompt.
take control.
Yes. And here is Sora 2.
It's colder and the day seems through.
Also pretty good sound and also character consistency. Everything is great here.
Rise on the warmth of a love like you. Shine that light. Oh, when the
Yes.
night feels cold.
And nice music, pretty good adherence to the prompt. And so after more than 10 examples, which one is better and why? Well, I would say that Sora is winner in sports, anchor, TV news, conversation and product video for sure. Then the Veo 3.1 is winner in almost all image to video examples and JSON prompting. Maybe it's a tie there in JSON prompting. And that leads us to the tie also in guitar finger examples and camera movement in the burning city. Please tell me in the comments which one did you prefer in these specific examples. And if you like this video, you might want to watch this one where I test 4 different AI models.